KTM 500 or 50, I don't know. Guess yes, 125. Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video here on Moto. Today we are going to drive the worst ever running 125cc that I have ever ridden. So this right here is a gas 125 ESC, and as you can see it looks quite beaten up. A lot of parts are loose on the bike, the license plate like this. But one thing about this bike that looks really good is the exhaust. As you can see, it's all blue and shiny, and it also has a FMF silencer, so it sounds pretty good. So the plan for today is that we're gonna meet up with Moto, and we're gonna make a dual moto vlog on this 125cc, and hopefully the piston won't seize on this bike, because it's not mine. Okay, now let's see how we refuel this bike. So, how the okay, like that. This is my 2-stroke oil. I got 100 milliliters. So let's calculate. I'm gonna make 2%, so 5 times 0.2. That is 100. Okay, so 5 liters. Now let's put in the 2-stroke oil without spilling. I spilled shit. Oh yeah. Now we put in the oil. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to mix gas in a 2-stroke. So we do like this. And you go like this. Oh, some gas. I dropped something. What the f? Look at this. Oh, that bike sounds good. Mixing gas and slapping gas. I think we're finished. God damn. What a nice sound. Okay, should we try a wheelie then? See if we can even get it up on the back wheel. Third gear. Yes, we're on the back wheel. Yes, it worked. You just have to use some willpower to get it up on the back wheel. And once you're up here, it's a easy game. You can just stay on the lower RPMs and use low power and just coast on the balance point. It's a nice feeling. I got brand new gloves. A lot of you guys commented that I had gardening gloves on. I think they work really well, at least during the winter. But in the summer, it's quite hot. And there we have Moto. Let's do a wheelie. Hello! Hello! Oh, the bike died. Do you want to see something about this bike?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna show you how to stop the bike. Yeah, how to kill switch it. As you can see, this right here is the kill switch. It doesn't work. Now I'm gonna show you how to stop the bike. This is how you do it. Sharing stop.
Oh.
That's how you kill the bike. Let's go. Oh. Very beautiful wheelie. Yeah, oh you did? Should I try to do it as well? Okay, so I'm gonna have my foot here during a wheelie. A challenge from Moto. died. It died. The bike like misfires when you ride on the higher RPMs. Ah, yes. Oh, I forgot to turn off the soppakran. It's gonna start to leak soon otherwise. I think I was in time. Autistic boys. Free ice cream. If you're ready.
Like a free ice cream right now. Thank you.
0 kronors. 0 kronors. Oh, 15. You have to fuel 15 liters to get a free ice cream. I mean, you can give me some fuel. I wouldn't complain. Oi. It is hot. The face reveal. Okay, now. Oh. Jävlar! Nu. Oopsie. The bike died. Nej, snälla. Oh, I forgot to I forgot to turn on the soppakran. Okay, now. I got so scared there. I do not want to blow another bike. Woo! What the f, man? A friend of mine has bought a brand new KTM 450, I think. So we're gonna go and look at the bike and see how it looks. This bike, how hasn't it blown yet? It's a good question. I don't think he's happy about that. I mean, it looks quite good. These ones were loose before, but I tightened them for my friend. I don't think he's happy at all for the rev bomb. Okay, let's go before anyone else gets mad. And we go here.
I think they got a little bit ugly.
Yeah, you rode away. No? Okay, I'm gonna guard the bikes while Moto tries the bike. I think he's gonna come here and we can look while you do wheelies. Oh, it's so sad that my Husqvarna is broken. I waited like 1.5 months for like new parts to come. I'm currently waiting for a brand new cylinder and crankshaft. But yeah, I'm gonna have this bike for a couple of more days. Then I'm gonna return it and hopefully I can make some videos with it before I return it. What the f? There is something inside of there. Can I rev? Kom igen. Kom igen. Can I try and kick? Fy fan. Ingen gas. Yes, you have to give it some throttle. Moto approved? Yes.
I said I wasn't gonna do a wheelie, but then I said
Yeah. It's relatable.
I'm so sorry.
What are you doing? Okay, now we're gonna try out a 450 for the first time. So yeah, okay, let's try a KTM 450 for the first time. I have ridden a KTM 500 before, but never a 450. Jävlar, it fucking pulls. Damn. Jävlar! So much power in a 450. I'm not used to this power. I can just be a little bit of gas and I'm up on the back wheel, then just be smooth on the throttle. Such a nice feeling. Oh, I can't wait for my own 450. Okay, I'm gonna park his bike for him. Damn, so much power. I think it's in here.